My name is Akshay Govardhan Rode and my roll number is 47 and my presentation topic is authentication header. So we know that there are two IP security protocols, that is AH protocol and ESP protocol. AH protocol stands for authentication header protocol and ESP stands for encapsulating security protocol. So in AH protocol there are two security services involved, that is integrity and authentication. So what is integrity? So no undesired modification in the data while it is going from sender to receiver. And what is authentication? Authentication is source of the data is the authentication user. So no confidentiality services in case of AH protocol because there is no encryption technique involved and there is no application of the encryption algorithm. But in case of ESP protocol, confidentiality services is involved. So this is the header. So there are number of fields and this is a bitwise representation of the same. So there are number of fields and we are going by one. So this is next header field. So this is a 8-bit fields and that tells you about the type of header which is immediately next to this particular header. And then there is a payload length which is a 8-bit field and which represents the length of the original data. And then there is a reserve field which is a 16-bit field and it is for the future use. And then there is a security parameter index, that is SPI. So this is a 32-bit field and which is used to uniquely identify the particular security association to which this packet belongs. And then there is a sequence number field. So this is a 32-bit field and its range is 0 to 2 raised to 32 minus 1 and initially its value is 0 before sending any data packet. But there is counter which increases value 1 by 1 after sending any data packet. So then there is a authentication data field which is a variable field and which is also available in ESP header, but in ESP it is optional and in case of AH protocol it is a compulsory field and which contains the ICV, that is integrity check value, and which is used to determine whether any undesired modification made to data or not till it reaches to receiver. That is, it plays the dual role, that is which ensures both the security services, that is integrity and authentication. These both security services are ensured in case of AH protocol and not confidentiality services is ensured in case of AH protocol. Thank you.